In this video, I will show you how to master the FotMob app so you never miss a single moment of the beautiful game. FotMob is widely considered the best soccer scores app on the market because of its speed and deep statistics. When you first open the app, your primary focus should be the match day schedule. You can easily navigate between dates using the calendar at the top to see upcoming fixtures or look back at yesterday's results. If you want to follow a specific team or league, simply tap the star icon next to their name. This adds them to your favorites, ensuring you get instant push notifications for goals, red cards, and final whistles. One of the best features is the detailed player stats section. By tapping on a specific match, you can view expected goals, heat maps, and live player ratings that update in real time. You should also check out the News tab, which aggregates top stories from major sports outlets based on your interests. For those who like a clean look, head to the settings to toggle between light and dark mode or customize your alert sounds. Whether you are tracking the Premier League or a local division, this app covers it all with incredible precision. Thank you for watching my guide on using FotMob efficiently.